Welcome friends, today we are making Vietnamese style sweet spicy green beans. For this delicious recipe, you will need fresh cut and clean green beans, fish sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, red pepper flakes, brown sugar, garlic cloves, ginger, and canola oil. First, begin by chopping the ginger and garlic. Now, steam cook the green beans for 5 minutes or until tender. In a large wok over high heat, add canola oil and saute the chopped garlic and ginger. Now add in the fish sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, red pepper flakes, and brown sugar. Bring to boil. Reduce to low heat and stir in the cooked green beans. And here you have delicious Vietnamese style sweet spicy green beans. I love fresh green beans, sweet and spicy. Delicious by themselves or served as a side dish. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.